Yo, what's good, guys? It's 402 Pyro. I'm here showing you guys what we're going to light up for New Year's this year. So as you can see, we got a good amount of stuff. We didn't want to go too overboard this year. We got a couple other things that aren't here, like the Grim Reapers I showed you in that short. Here's a picture of them. And we got a couple other things we're going to get, but this is a majority of the stuff we're going to light off. So I'll start down here. We got a Rock Hard Ram, Glitter Bomb, Crazy Chameleon. We got 3 Unbelievables. We got a Loud and Proud, a Zoinks, 2 Boy or Girl Smokes. We're going to light those off right away so it doesn't get too dark outside. We got a Yep, Still Not Woke, Blastastic. It's a boy or a girl, but this is a boy in this case, and it's also right there. We got a Restricted Area. We got a bunch of 420 shells. There's only 10 in here. 2 have been lit off already, but we got 10 in there, so those should be fun. We got 2 Wolf Warriors back here. We got a Shine. We got a Shaman, Arcade Hero, and we got 4 flashing fireworks, Hurricane Cakes, which aren't the greatest, but I think 4 at one time will be really cool. And then we'll only light off a couple of these X-Cows. We're going to save them for stuff in the future. So yeah, we don't have too much we're going to light off, but it should be a fun little show to watch to kick off the new year. I hope you guys all had a fantastic 2025. Thanks for all the support. Our channel literally quintupled in size, went from about 47 subscribers to almost 250. It's been a fantastic year. We're looking forward to more great years in the future. And here we go. We're going to go light this stuff off right now.
Or yeah, I mean we went. Oh, yeah. That was so dumb.
All